Hi everybody, in this video I will go ahead and show you how to test the score part of the Robot Fashion Lab. So if you look at the testing notes, you're supposed to click on this video to test to see if the score increases when the two robots are wearing the same outfit. So let's actually look at the lab description for the fashion game. And in the world, it tells you about the score. So in number 2, it says, the world can keep track of the score, and every time act is called, the world should determine if the two robots have matched outfits, and if so, should do the following. Update the score. So let's actually just concentrate on part 2A right now. So what we'll do is we'll take a look at these robots, we'll reset this, and we want to make sure that the score is updating correctly. So when this game is run, it's going to keep track of the score. If the robots have the same outfit on, then the score should increase, but otherwise it shouldn't. So remember that run actually calls act over and over and over again. So if you just click act, it will call the act method once, which will still test the score or the act method. So let's go ahead and right now we're going to go ahead and inspect the world. So right click on the world and hit inspect, and right now the score is 0, which is what it should be. So if I close this, if I hit act, then that will run the act method, and see this print that comes up. You can ignore that for the time being. That's actually not a necessary part to test this part of the lab. But anyway, because the robots do not have matching outfits, the score should still be 0. So right click on the world and hit inspect, and it looks like the score is 0, which is good. So close that up, and let's make sure that the score can update if the robot is wearing the correct outfit. So I want this robot to match this other robot. So let's see. Now what you do is you go to the file with the Greenfoot project and click on images, and this shows you all the images that the robot can wear. So we're looking for a Batman mask, which looks like that's mask 3, and we're also looking for that purple robe, which is robe 8. So let's actually look back at our matrix. Again, we're looking for mask 3 and robe 8. So if you look at this matrix, mask 3 is here, and robe 8 is over here. So really what we have to do is set the proper number. So mask 3 is actually really mask head number. If these are the head numbers, this would be like 0, 1, 2, because that's the second item of the matrix. And then for robe 8, this would really be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the matrix. So what we have to do is we're really setting our head number to 2, our torso number to 7, and then whether it's robed, robe should be true because it's wearing a robe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my other robot, right click, and I will set the head number to 2 because it's the 0, 1, 2 item. and I'll go ahead and set the torso number, right click, set torso number to 7. That looks good. And then I'll right click and I will set robed and to true. Click OK. Then I will hit inspect to make sure that these items matched up. So torso number is 7, head number is 2, and is robot robed? That's also true because it's wearing a robe. So that looks good. So those are matched up. So now what I'll do is I'll right click and I will go to inherited from robot and allow this robot to wear this cute little outfit. Wonderful, they matched up. So hopefully with them matching, they should go ahead and the score should increase. So if I hit act, the score should go up by 1. Act and right click, test robot equals. Oh, that's the wrong one. I meant to right click and hit inspect, and the score did go up to 1, which is exactly what we wanted. So this is how to test to see if the score is changing the way it should. This isn't the way to do, the final product. Eventually what you'll want to do is display the score here on the screen so that when you hit run, the score will continually update as this is going and being run. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.